So we are on the W Trail. Get this really cool boardwalk through this desolate and charred forest. And the reason it's all charred was there was a tourist 11 years ago who burnt toilet paper. It burnt, I forget how many, 12,000 hectares or something. Anyway, they do the comparison to a city the size of Paris. So let me jump in. That's the French glacier. And that's the Poney Glacier. See, that's just a bunch of snow and ice. A little bit difficult to tell the difference between that and that. But there is a difference in